All right, guys. So you're welcome to this Dr. Pompa program review. So actually, a lot of people have been asking me to review this program by Dr. Pompa. So I'm just going to walk you through some of the recent reviews by people who actually paid for this program. And by the way, while doing this research, I discovered a very good detox program, which is a good alternative to Dr. Pompa's program. It is very, very affordable compared to Dr. Pompa program. It gives you access to supplements you take for the next 90 days and a program that shows you exactly how to adjust your diet. So I'll drop the link to check this out in the description below. So now let's go back to Dr. Pompa. So this is the review. So this, as you can see, this review is actually 6 days ago. So this is someone that spent over $7,000 with Dr. Pompa and they did not get any results. So if you can pause if you want to read the full review. Of course, this is another person that they paid Dr. Pompas a lot of money and they're trying to get their money back, but they could not get that refund, even though Dr. Pompa's program did not deliver what it promised them. So this is so unfortunate. So this is another negative review. As you can see, this review actually pretty recent. So people who paid very recent and they are getting bad. This person also paid $7,000. So I can't even believe that people are paying this much for Dr. Pompa. I don't know how it's making people pay this much. So the point is, I can keep showing you more negative reviews. So this person has spent over $40,000. Let me check again. Yes, over $40,000 with Dr. Pompas, and they did not get any result after 5 months. So you can pause and read if you want to. And this is the other half. So the point is, there's no point. Don't waste your money with Dr. Pompa's program. You are not going to get results, just like every other person. And even if you get results, it's just too expensive. So I actually recommend something like this, which is a very affordable one and is a 90-day detox kit. Is a solar detox so you get for 90 days. So if you want to read more about this one, like I said, I'll drop the link in the description below. And it is actually uh, uh, guided by a real doctor. So this is a real doctor. Dr. Pompa is a chiropractor, is not a real doctor. So this is a real doctor. You can also get a 20-minute consultation with doctor. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can check this out. So don't waste your money on Dr. Pompa's program.